Thank you for taking the time to join me today. In this video, I want to share with you an incredible system that is transforming the world of affiliate marketing: Master Affiliate Profits, also known as MAP. If you've been dreaming of making serious money online but feel overwhelmed by the complexity of the process, MAP is designed to make affiliate marketing easier and more accessible, even for beginners. Affiliate marketing, in its simplest form, allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. But let's be honest, while affiliate marketing seems straightforward, many people struggle to get started or see consistent results. That's because they don't have a proven system to follow. Master Affiliate Profits is the answer to this problem. It's a done-for-you system that takes the guesswork out of affiliate marketing. With MAP, you don't need to worry about creating products, building sales funnels, or figuring out how to generate traffic. Everything is provided for you in a step-by-step format. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or you've tried before and failed, MAP has all the tools you need to succeed. MAP offers beginner-friendly training that walks you through the essentials of affiliate marketing, along with pre-built campaigns and landing pages that you can use right away. These are not just any campaigns, they are designed to convert, meaning you can start making money quickly. And here's the best part. MAP teaches you how to drive traffic to these campaigns through free and paid methods. No more stressing over how to get people to see your offers, MAP handles it all. What sets Master Affiliate Profits apart from other systems is its focus on done-for-you campaigns. These are complete sales funnels, pre-built and ready for you to use. All you have to do is plug in your affiliate links, and the system does the rest. This means that even if you have no experience with building websites or writing sales copy, you can still get started today. MAP even helps with traffic, teaching both free and paid strategies to bring targeted visitors to your offers. So, why is MAP considered one of the best systems available? It tackles the three biggest problems that most new affiliate marketers face: understanding the process, creating effective campaigns, and driving traffic. MAP provides comprehensive training that breaks down each step of the process. It gives you campaigns that are designed to convert and provides proven traffic strategies to ensure you're always getting eyes on your offers. This system isn't just for experienced marketers. If you've never made a commission before or are struggling to make your first sale, MAP is designed to get you results quickly. It's perfect for anyone looking to generate a full-time income or even just some extra money on the side. I highly encourage you to check out Master Affiliate Profits if you're serious about building a profitable affiliate marketing business. MAP gives you everything you need: training, campaigns, and traffic strategies, all in one place. If you're ready to take action and start making real money online, I invite you to download the video and learn more about how MAP can transform your affiliate marketing journey. Don't wait, click the link below to access the training and start building your business today. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing your success with Master Affiliate Profits.